real talk, na-reject ako sa first few VA applications ko. Ito yung napansin ko. Hindi lang isa, hindi lang dalawa, ilang beses akong na-reject. Like, sobrang dami. Binalikan ko yung online jobs na, account ko. Chinek ko yung mga past applications na sinesend ko. Akala ko dati normal lang, pero eventually napaisip ako, bakit kaya walang nagre-reply? Then, chinek ko yung mga application ko. Doon ko nakita yung problem. I'll actually show you some of my applications before, and I think mapapansin nyo rin kung ano yung mga mali doon. Ayan, kung makikita nyo, yung first application na sinend ko ay September 7, 2020, 9:03 p.m. Tapos yung next ko, September 7, lagi akong nag-a-apply nun, madami akong in-applyan. So, open natin siya. Tingnan natin. Hi, I'm very interested in this position, etc., etc. Sobrang iksi. Look at the next one. Sobrang iksi. Although this one, naka-receive na ako ng response kaso after September 24 na. Tapos, ayan, Diyos ko, anong klaseng application yan? Napaka-iksi. Napaka-iksi. Now, tignan natin ito yung first na nakakuha ko ng response kasi hinabaan ko na yung I am a graduate of pero sobrang tapos hindi pala. Yan, ang reply niya lang sa akin is may napili na sila. So, rejection siya. So, nagpatuloy yan yung, yung mga ganyan ko. Kasi wala naman akong alam nun eh. Wala naman akong experience sa pag-apply masyado that time. So, hindi ko alam how things work back then. So, nakita nyo naman yung mga applications ko. Sobrang generic, walang detail, sobrang parang, hi, I'm interested, I can do this. Yun lang. Walang connection sa job post, walang effort, hindi pa optimize yung profile ko that time. Pag-check mo, kulang info, hindi clear yung skills, walang direction. So, looking back, bakit ako pipiliin, di ba? Mali yung focus ko. Ang focus ko that time is, ito yung kaya kong gawin, pero dapat ang kailangan kong ang focus ko dapat noon is ito yung kailangan mo, ito paano kita tutulungan. Which, ito yung papakita ko sa inyo yung first positive response ko na na-interview ako. So, makikita nyo to si George. Nag-apply ako sa kanya ng September 9, nag-reply siya sa akin September 11. Ano yung ginawa ko? May questions si George. Anong ginawa ko? Sinagot ko yung mga questions niya. Personalized. Anong sabi sa akin ni George? Let's set up an interview for tomorrow, which is Friday in the US, etc., etc. Tapos binigyan niya ako ng link to book a call. And this is another one. I am very interested in this position for the summary of responsibilities. I am positive that I am perfect fit for this job. I have been working as an accountant for years, that it gives me the edge when it comes to creating and analyzing reports. I have very good attention to details and very resourceful. Resourceful. I like challenging myself and learning things I don't know. I look forward to hearing from you. Tapos nag-reply siya, I looked through your application and you seem like a great fit. I would love to schedule an interview with you. Please schedule time with me here. Tapos, ang application ko ay September 10. Nag-reply siya sa akin ng September 12. Kasi by that time, in-adjust ko na yung applications ko. So, as you can see, ang pattern, kapag hindi personalize yung application mo, kapag hindi optimize yung profile mo, walang nagre-reply sa'yo. Mas better kapag nagsisend ka ng application, basahin mo yung job description and then, tsaka mo sagutin dun sa cover letter mo yung job description nila, kung ano yung mga hinahanap nila, ano yung kaya mong gawin, plus other skills na meron ka. That's based on my personal experience. Nakita nyo naman, that was 2020. And I think na yung past mistake ko ginagawa pa rin ng VAs ngayon. I hope this is helpful. This is based on my personal experience. and sana makatulong 'to sa'yo.